hello.
Oh. Oh. Yo. Good morning. How you guys doing?
Developers.
Good morning. Man, that gave me a headache. Holy. Too much energy. Oh, good morning. Yes, sorry. I'm very sorry I'm late. Whew. Man. Is that bad that I'm out of breath from this? Huh? Hopefully it'll get better, right? Stuck in traffic? No, I just changed. So I had to bring the car to the car dealership today. And it's raining today outside. Did you do the weird knee exercise? No. Did you run to your stream? No, I just did some hand rubbing, brother. Ooh. It's fine. It's fine. We're gonna do sport in the future again, right? We'll do some sport in the future. I need to jog again. Good morning. I had to bring the car to the car... How do you call that? Car mechanic. And I don't know how that is in your countries. But every couple of years you have to bring your car to a... I don't know what you call that. When you call this. Like a testing service. They test your car if it still operates properly. And if it's not dying from the inside. So that you can drive the car for another 2 hours. 2 years. Or 1 year, 2 years. Depends. Hello, Fear of Darkness. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you doing, bro? And, man, my car is starting to die. I was 6 months off and I see no progress. Missed you. You didn't disappear like that, darling. Don't disappear like that, darling. Oh, Mr. Warlock. Good morning. Hello, XYZ Studio as well. And Harbor on YouTube. Good morning. So well, what we have to do on stream today is make progress in the game. AKA progress towards the demo version. AKA play the game till around 2030. Hello Scamaster and hello Tishbox North, good morning you guys, late 77, yeah. So I had to bring the car there, then the guy, actually was a woman, she checked out the car and found that on the bottom of the car there's rust.
The money will
and we need to remove, the rust needs to be removed and there needs to be some platings added. And that might be like what could save the car for another 2 years. So we could drive it. And then there were some minor things like a couple of LEDs not working, but otherwise the car was still fine. No rust here, yeah. Stupid rust. And well, that's normal because the car is 25 years old. Time to trade it for a Tesla Model Y. I don't think you can trade that. Like the car that we have is a Mazda 6, and that I'm expecting it to still be worth like $1,000 or something. I don't know how much you get when you trade it in, but I'm pretty sure you could potentially trade it in. But what we're gonna do is keep the car for another 2 years and then try to get ourselves a new one in the next 2 years. Well, a new one, a new used one, of course, right? You don't buy new cars. New cars are just too expensive. Hope you guys had a good weekend. Finally, hello Lord Boy. Good morning. Today we're gonna work on the game, aka just play the game and then talk about stuff. We need to get the demo version done soon. You will be able to buy a new one after launch. I do not, let's say my launch goes very well this year. I don't want to get a new car because it's too expensive. Why would you do that? I want to say I really enjoy your latest YouTube content. You didn't upload someone else's video for almost 12 years. Great job. Yeah, the videos are done. They're just not... I don't have thumbnails done for them yet. And I'm working on it, Mr. Inukai. I know you're waiting for them. I know you miss them. Cakez, what if you earn $10 million? I still wouldn't buy a new car. Why would I do that? I have to worry about the new car then. I'd rather, let's say we live in a dream world. I earn 10 million. I would buy a house. Chat, wouldn't you buy a house if you have 10 million? Be honest. You would buy a house, maybe another one, and then you would let someone live in the other house and you would live in the one house. That's what I would buy. Because that's a smart thing to do. Because the assets never go away. Usually. Good morning, Mr. Klaus Greiner. Good morning, sir. Hope you're doing good. Oh yeah, and today we need to work on not only this, but also upgrades. So basically we need to play the game today. We need to flesh out what we added over the weekend or last week, like a replay system and stuff like that. And then add all of this stuff into the game and test it out. Did you see my trailer, Cakez? No, I did not. Did you link that on Discord?
Am I so out of touch?
Let me see.
No.
And Dante, thank you very much for following.
One sub to the community.
Where is it? This one? Godot for your game? Let's see. Is that it? Am I getting demonetized when I listen to this, Mr. Shade 11? Or not? What's gonna happen when I watch this? Where's the music from? I made the song from scratch, okay. Oh, my man. Damn, what is this? What is that, bro? What game are you making? Holy. It's a FIFA dream? How do you get more levels? Can you train to be faster or something? Can you make bigger donkeys? Dookies? Wow, wow. There's the big guy from the first game. Only enemies change, enemies kill each other. Oh wow. So how long did this game take you to make, brother? I can see that you learned quite a lot more from the last game. What is this dog shit? Oh, Mr. Oshi wants a ban. Okay, so he's negative. Ooh, Oshi's negative. You're getting banned. So this is done in GameMaker, right? How long did it take you to make this? I started in April 2023, but wasted 8 months in between. Oh wow, so over a year. Spent over a year on this. Maybe it was too ambitious. Maybe you tried to make it too big. You're actually releasing the game demo? Insane. I will release the game demo this year, of course, yes. I tried to release it in January or February this year. Just get the Wohnwagen and you get both? Wohnwagen? What do you mean? Why does this change, by the way? By the way, the trailer's a bit long though. After the first, let's say, 30 seconds, you can already tell what the game is about. You made it a bit too long, the trailer. Okay, so where's the game? I see, Steam's still approving, okay. But you should still link to your page. Or well, I guess it's still approving. Okay. Fine. Good stuff, bro. I wish you good luck. Hopefully you get more sales than your first game. And if you get enough sales, maybe you get your first payout from Steam. Hopefully. Maybe more than $100. Only 2 subs is criminal. He spends 1 year and you say he's overscoped. Let me get you a mirror. I'm not saying I'm not overscoped, bro. I never said that, brother. Okay, let's continue. So, we need to code in upgrades. We need to set that as an event. Event. Replay. Event start level. There we go. So event. Upgrade hero, I guess. Oi, ihr geilen Spritzer. Mein Ismov. Good morning, sir. Let's see, and then do choice. Let's see, then in do choice. I think this is when we do the upgrade, because we have a button here and it returns the result. If the result is true, then we have upgraded the hero, but we don't know what upgrade we did. So I guess we have to do this in all of the 3 different cases. Good evening, bro. Good evening, bro. You, 11k subs. Hello, Foisidon. What does that mean, 11k subs? You. Are you drinking out of your piss jar? No, this is lemon juice I made myself. I squeezed the lemon. Obviously, the game is not perfect, but it's getting better. So, with this game, do you plan on making a new game? Or do you plan on upgrading the game? Alright, let's see. Draw abilities. Do upgrade effect. Here, do choice. Okay, so what do we need to do? We need to have an ability when we want to replay this. If game state replay, then event Does learning German as a language help me out life-wise apart from insulting you on stream? No, it does not. Learning like German, learning Germany and learning French, they do nothing, bro.
Am I so
learn
out
English.
of touch?
Bro, you should learn English.
No.
Mr. Elmido is gifting 1 sub to the community.
Hallo, wie geht's? Hey, Mr. Necropolis AD. Good. Hope you're doing good, brother, too. Mr. Amida, thank you so much for gifting us up. Ich bin Cakes Fahrt, du bist scheiße, Cakes. No, like learning another language. If you want to learn another language, should be English first. And then maybe after that, another big one is... well, maybe Spanish or... well, the Chinese, Asian stuff. Maybe Japanese or Chinese. Yeah, English, Chinese is probably the best combo, yeah. German is not that useful to learn, exactly. There's not that many Germans. Where do I have the events? Replay. Event log. Oh, I see. It's called event log. There you go. German is OP. Apparently you can say in English and everyone understands. You can just say in English. No, that's not true. What do you mean? There are some words in German that also exist in English. And so the Germans just took the English words. But for the most part, Germans speak German, bro. And they understand absolutely no English. I have so many German friends that just can't speak English because they are lazy to learn it. You always say in English halt. The reason why I say in English halt is because I don't know the word. German is not getting a job. Let me see. So what do we need to do here? We need the ability ID. We need the upgrade cost. And we need the hero ID. Okay, so that event would be struct hero type ID. Yo, glitched in orbit. Thank you very much for following. Hero type ID. Ability ID. Int upgrade cost. You're very welcome. Thank you, sir. I speak Java. I think Rust is the better language than French. Hello there, Aurora on YouTube, bro. Good morning. 70% of Germans can speak English or up to 2 more languages. Where did you get that number from, bro? Where did you get that number from? I tell you something, okay? I know a lot of Germans, because I'm German. And 90% of them struggle with the most basic English words. Okay? I play in a soccer team, and we have one guy that's English. There's literally no one that can talk to him other than 4 or 5 people. Okay? And they're struggling to say the most basic words, brother. I have seen people talk to him. It's really funny, you know? My whole family can speak English, Polish, and German, and I'm from Germany too. Oh, so your reference point is your family? I see. Okay, great. He came up with 70% because it's okay. Nice. All right. Cakez has just uneducated or old friends. I'm also German, and 80+% under 40 can speak English. That's absolutely not true, bro. Upgrade data. The door's just closed on itself, bro. My house is haunted. We dead, guys. We dead. Good night, guys. What is the event ID? Oh yeah, so the ID would be dot and then the tick. Game state. Tick counter. There you go. Then the upgrade data is dot. Huh? Why is this complaining? I wonder, maybe the tick is on huh? What? Bro. The IntelliSense, right? I'm telling you.
Why does the attacker Tangy identify as a defender? Please click.
No! We aren't gonna be listening to some masochistic stuff here. No, 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 no. The tab number is crazy. We talked about this, bro. That is the number of skill of any given programmer when you see the tab counter. So 1 tab is 1x programmer, 2 tabs is 2x programmers, and so on and so forth. So you can count the tabs yourself to see what x programmer I am. Man, how many do you need? God, how many you need ultra wide monitor? You don't. You don't. You just need one window. That's fine. Cakes, thoughts about Forsen? I have no thoughts about Forsen because I don't know, like, what? What do you mean? Hmm? What do you mean? Didn't I call it upgrade data? Chat, that's exactly the same. Exactly the same. What do you mean you can't find the definition? I just gave you the definition. What are you talking about? So IntelliSense at its finest, guys. Like always. Okay, so hero type ID is hero.hero type ID. Ability ID is ability.data .id, and here upgrade cost is upgrade cost. There you go. So now it's gonna magically disappear and just work. It's fine. Fine! Okay. Just move on. So that's the event, and we have to do this. I have an idea. Never mind. Cakes, can you use include header within a header file? For example, make an advanced math library based on CMath, doing include CMath. Cakes, do you think women are stronger than men physically? No. It's not possible. Hello, Aizen. I know. I'm sorry. This is an ability upgrade, and we need to treat it like that too, guys. It's not upgrade hero, but event upgrade ability upgrade grade hero. Then that is event ability upgrade hero. There we go. And then this is ability upgrade. There you go. Okay, cool. And then we do this for all the other things too. Time to call it up, call this a feature and start working on the Gothic clone, Cakes. No. We will work on the Gothic clone when we're done with this, brother. We're so close to finishing this version, guys. We're so close to releasing this version and finishing it. Okay. Then this is upgrade, ability upgrade. That's a weapon upgrade. And this is an item upgrade. And then over here we have the weapon. Then we also have a set of ability upgrade. We have weapon upgrade. Instead of ability ID, we have weapon. No, we have item ID. Call that item ID. There we go. Oh, it's gonna work. Item ID. Weapon ID. There you go.
Gotcha, bitch!
Funtrion, thank you very much for following. Good morning, bro. How many levels are there in your game? Right now there is 1 level and about 20... How many rounds have I balanced? Let me check. We have balanced rounds till round... I think it's 22. I think round 22 is... imbalanced at the moment and we can't beat it. No, wait, till round 22 is how much we have in the game at the moment. Or I think round 21. And so I'm trying to get to round 30. And then have this boss spawn, you can see it, have this boss spawn on round 40. So I'm trying to introduce a couple more enemies till round 40. Have this guy spawn at round 40. And then that will be the demo version. After round 40, the game's... let's say the game's done. The demo version is done. You guys have played it enough. And I get enough feedback from that 1 level. I want to have this 1 level in the game. 40 rounds. About 30 minutes of playtime. Maybe a bit more. And then you can replay this 1 level. And I can get data from you replaying 1 level. That's the idea. Let's call it item upgrade. And so right now I'm building a replay system, or I'm flashing out my replay system and we are playing through the game. To get to round 30 today. That would be awesome. And then tomorrow we can try to get to round 40. And then this is the demo list that we have. This is what we need to do. There are a couple of things that I still need to do in the list, but for the most part... record actions to binary file sent to server. So that should be in its own thing because we have done that. How do you? Yeah, we have done this. Sent to server is something we have to figure out still. I hope someone smart in chat can tell me what to do here. But for the most part, yeah, 2nd level. Let's say 1 level. With 40 rounds. This is what I want to have. 40 rounds. Boss spawning 1 time. Like Blunarius. So, 40 rounds is what we have to do still. Show how to use the Huila. And then we also have to do a tutorial. So it's still a couple of days away. But not too much more to do. There are a lot of check marks already. I'm very happy about this. Cakes, by working on demo release, do you mean adding 10 more features that will delay the demo? No, I don't mean that. There are features that I can add, but I will add them in after the demo is done. Like, for example, hazardous effects on maps or tiles that deal damage. Stuff like that will be added in post-demo version. 1 level, so less content than the previous demo. Actually, more content, more stuff to do than the previous demo Necropolis, just in 1 level only. Excuse me. The previous demo did not have actual counters. It didn't have a proper progression system in the game. This demo is more fleshed out. Has better progression. Okay, so this is weapon upgrade. And then over here. Ooh, Mr. Togglebit, good morning. Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for the raid. Hey? Oh, yeah, here. And then over here, instead of weapon ID, we have, what is it called? Item ID. There we go. Rust. Food time. Have a good stream. Yeah, thank you so much. Hopefully you had a good stream too, bro. Togglebit is doing a hot tub barbecue stream next week. Tune in. Really? Damn. I would like to eat some food there too, man. I'm more interested in the food, you know. Some nice grill action would be awesome. Where the demo? We're working on it. In bikini or no? Guys, think about it. In bikini, and then you grill some nice little sausages on the grill. Oh, that would be amazing. Okay, now we have to do the replay. Where do we... if... Game state... Replay. Okay. Event. Place hero. Ah, there we go. There we go. So these are the events. Then we need to get the hero by ID. Welcome everyone. Well, we are working right now on a demo version release for my game, Tangy Defense. And right now what we want to do today is play the game till round 30. If we can get to round 30. And then tomorrow play the game till round 40. And spawn a boss on round 40 and make it reasonably difficult so the player cannot beat it in the first try, or it's very rare that the player without knowledge can beat it in the first try, and then give the player enough options to upgrade the heroes and make them stronger, find more items, so that there's more stuff to do in the game, and he can replay the level, give us some feedback while doing so, and we can see the data from these guys playing. We're getting close. I really want to get this demo version out. So let's see. When we upgrade a hero ability, we need to get the hero first. So entity pointer hero, which is get entity by ID. And then that would be event dot upgrade ability upgrade dot hero type ID. So what is the problem here? Why are you complaining? It's UID. Ah, I see. UID. So that would be the hero ID, I guess. And then here as well. Oops. Okay, so I supplied the wrong ID to these events. Hero ID. Can you please put Subway Surfers gameplay on the left? No, it's fine. I can help you if you're bored. Give me a second. Here you go. Okay. If hero, then we need to do the same thing. Hero.abilities.add. We get the ability. Ability is create ability of type event.ability upgrade.ability ID. Ooh, we don't have the ability level. So it might be level 2. So I guess we need to store that. Okay. Do we supply the entity? The hero, yeah. We supply the hero and then the level. Event.ability upgrade.ability level. Flawless fatality. Can you please put Subway Surfers on the right? You. Ability level. Okay. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, I need to think. Cakez, hope you're doing well. Thank you, Benito, on YouTube. I appreciate it, bro. Hello, man. How are you doing today? Good. Thanks for asking. Hope you're doing good, too. What are we building today? We're getting to round 30 today. That's our goal. If we get to round 30, then I'm actually really, really happy. Let's see. We add the ability in, and then we do the upgrade effect. I kind of want to do the upgrade effect here, so we need to have a function called do upgrade effect. All right, let's mark this here. Do upgrade effect. So that's an auto, by the way. Oh my god! Sorry. This right here. Has to be done in front of this. So we need to put it here. That's a void then. We need to supply the hero, the entity. Hero, like that. Yeah. Okay, well, at least lambda functions are easy to translate to normal functions. I'm very happy about that. That's awesome. Unless you scope everything, of course. And then this would be the hero ID. Then hero.id, I guess. Yeah. Ah, I mean, that's fine. Okay, cool. Temporos, hello there, my man. Good morning. How's it going, man? Welcome, sir. Wait. We also need to supply the ability level. Almost forgot that. Where's that? Now, guys, I understand that you guys cannot follow what I'm doing right now, because that's some ability level is ability.level. I can totally get it. Just wait, okay? When I'm done with this, we can replay upgrades in the game. So I can play till round... I can play till round 30 if I get there. Save the replay, load in the replay, and then play that again. Replay that in front of my eyes. Excuse me. Okay? Excuse me. Wow. Okay? There we go. Okay, over here we do weapon, do upgrade effect. Position. Ooh. Where's the position then? Position origin? Oh, the tier. The tier is hero.abilities.count, I guess. How do I get the tier again? For abilities. Can I taste that one? I didn't even burp. I can taste that one. And I didn't even burp. Did I burp? I'm sorry. I apologize. Tier. Guys. I need to work with marks. It's getting out of hand. Mark B. Because I'm totally losing my code here. Hero abilities.count. Then the tier is here. There you go. Okay, cool. What is you complaining about? Now? Oh, the value of hero, I guess. Yeah. Okay, so now we can upgrade abilities and replay them too. And we need to do the same thing for weapon and items. Let's just do the same thing here. We get the... from not the ability upgrade, but from the item upgrade. We get the hero. And then the tier is something we have to get from here. Hero weapon choices. And then after that, all we need to do...
Bad code. Check. React
Dieser
all
Kasar, good
day.
morning.
Check. Zero progress.
Hä?
Check. Demo when? Check.
Brother.
CPP. Check. Cannot link Raylib. Check.
Wrong.
Blending skill issues. Check.
We just added to the thing. Oh yeah, also I need to do the money. This is, wait. Mark A? Mark B. Okay, so game state money spent. Hero weapon choices, add. And we need to do that here too. Event. Ability upgrade, upgrade costs, and then hero type ID. 60 nesting levels. So wait, so we do this. We add the ability. We do the upgrade effect. Okay, so that's done finally. Get hero by ID. Item upgrade. Why is it not called hero ID? Oh. Now it is. Okay, so that's correct. We get the tier. We say how much money we spent. So that's from here. You can just do that. We add the weapon. This is event.item upgrade. .weapon item ID, I guess. We don't need that. Don't need that. We need to do the upgrade effect though. I think that's it. Right? And then the same thing. Cakez, you're doing actual coding? Yes, sir. And then over here, instead of weapon choices, we do item choices. Is it armor choices? Armor choices. We need to add that. And then the tier is armor choices. Upgrade cost. Position. I think that's it. Hero ID. That's hero.id. Hero ID. That's hero.id. Okay. Now we are recording upgrades. I want to quickly test if this works. If it does, then I'm really happy. So let's see. I should have just recorded an event to upgrade, and then we can do save event log.binary, and then load event log.binary. Let's see. We're gonna play. I know why. I added in new events that changed the data, and then the data just got misaligned. We have to play again. Cakez, there's a big gap on the left side of your window that could be occupied by... occupied by you taking a small break. Sir? Really solid state geometry or fully simulations like mixing colors? Hey, just found out about your channel. There's a way to get old VODs on the beginning of the creation of this game. Not the very oldest VODs, but yes. I have a development channel where I try to document the process, but I started uploading VODs there like a year ago or something. So it's not complete. It's called Cakez Dev. Let me see if I can find that. How do I go there? Let's see your channel. There you go. This right here. There's a playlist of me building the game, but it's just coding. It's just coding every time. Coding. Alright guys, let's see. We're gonna get to round 2. And then test. Why not add Subway Surfers gameplay directly in the demo game? What are you talking about, brother? We do not need that because the demo itself is great. Okay. Let's save. Give me a second. There you go, and then load. Come on. Did I talk too much in the beginning? Did I not play fast enough? Okay. Yeah. Hi, I'm new here from the Togglebit channel, rate. Do you do your own art? Looks great. Thank you, Greg Galactic. I do, yes. Thanks for asking. I try to learn pixel art from the ground up, and so we try to draw 1 pixel art sprite a day. Why did the first demo fail? Because it wasn't interesting enough. Guys, the replay is running, but I was talking, answering this guy's question, and so now we have to wait until I'm done linking my channel in the replay so that this guy spawns some tangerines. Are we gonna wait now? Holy, come on. Place a unit. Oh my god. Is he placing the units today? Ah, there we go. There we go. Have a button. Yeah, there will be a button to 2 times, 3 times the replay, yes. Props to you, brother. I last used C++ to write games in 1996. Damn, that's crazy, bro. Cakez is experiencing what we experience. Yeah. I experience it firsthand now. Okay, so they're gonna level up. I think. They're not level 2 yet, right? They are level 2. Shit. Well, I guess. He's not upgrading. He is not upgrading. Is he though? He's not upgrading. No fast forward replay, not at the moment. God damn it. So it's an ability upgrade. I wonder if this goes here. Let's quickly replay the game, guys. If you were to build another game, new game, what would it be? What type of game? An RPG 3D game that is Souls-like. Heavily inspired by Gothic 1. Gothic 1's immersion. Souls-like combat from Dark Souls. We're gonna do that actually. We're gonna start on this year. But first this game has to be completed. It's very important that we complete and get this game to the finish line. Stop talking! Play the game! Go! Let's see. What will you do if we send AFK replays? I'm gonna have speed up buttons, brother. I told you. I'm gonna add more stuff. I'm gonna flash out the replay system as we use it. Aha! Why? Aha. I see.
Gotcha, bitch.
I understand now. So
Gotcha,
we
bitch.
have different hero IDs this second time here. So we cannot get the hero by ID. We need to set the actual in the event log. We need to have the what is called the int ID counter. We need to store that. Let's see here. Spawn hero. It needs to take this ID counter. Where's that? Entity ID counter. Game state. Entity ID counter. We need that. In the event log. We need that here. And so when do I initialize the event log? It's in the main.
Sag.
Entity. Can I please get IntelliSense?
Gotcha, bitch.
Thank you. There we go. Okay, so now we have it. We should be able to load the replay still. Let's see if this works. Thanks for muting me twice in a row, for making a suggestion. Very cool. No problem, brother. No problem. Absolutely no problem. Load event log.binary. There we go. Let's see. It doesn't work. Of course. Because we need to replay again. Okay, we're gonna replay again really fast. Click. Click. Play. I wanna see these guys get upgrades. Skill this. Man, this is gonna be awesome. I wonder if this just works. That would be so cool. Okay, let's see. Save event log.
Gotcha, bitch.
Oh yeah! Place them. Place them heroes. Thank you very much for following. Greg Galactics, The Silver Lost, Dazaro, Spaghetti Code Factor. Awesome name, brother. No Word Games. Good morning, you guys. What engine is this? I made this myself. It's based on this tutorial here. Amazing replay system. Does it also track the game refund button? Shh. Just wait, brother. Just wait. Oh! Oh!
Gotcha, bitch.
Haha. I mean, it's 1. We don't need to store that. Let's do that. Fine. Let's do this. Cakez, record your game loop. Make it take input commands. Gonna take 3 weeks, but that's what you're gonna do. Make your game loop, make it input commands. And take it input commands. No. What up, Cakez? Hey, my man, Mr. Majestic Lego. Good. Thanks for asking. Hope you're doing good too. You added a new file to the log. Did you generate a new log to test against? Yes. Like I'm playing right now. I'm generating a new log right now. As I'm playing. I'm generating a log. Right now. Boom. A train ability. Upgrade. Upgrade. Play again. And then we do F3. Save event log. Event log.binary. And then load event log. Event log.binary. There we go. Let's see. Come on. Cakez to crits proc happen again. They will, but I don't have crits. Tech Master, good morning. Hope you're doing good, bro. What are you working on currently? I'm working currently on flashing out the systems that I built and getting to round 30. And right now, what I wanted to build was these guys learning shield orbs. And it works! Woo! Cool! Now this is the run. This is where we start playing.
No soap, no skill, no original ideas,
and build a full replay.
No clue, no knowledge, no games released, no good text, no code, dumb idiot react.
Oh yeah.
Fuck off, stop streaming, okay champ.
Hopefully it works for weapons and armor pieces too. We'll have to see. But it should. Okay, let's see. We're gonna place another unit here. Hello TCap, how's it going, bro? Haven't seen TCap in weeks. Sounds cool. When could I expect a demo? I don't come very often, so I'm not up to date. I hope by the end of the month. There's not much left to do, but I hope that we'll be able to get there by the end of the month. What will you do next game in J? Probably not. We'll see though. Which game I do next, which programming language I use next. I thought about doing something like use different languages for the 3D project and see which one I like most. Okay, so this is where we get an item. Wooden sword. I wonder how that will work. Probably have to click the thing myself. And then this guy is gonna get the wooden sword. Let's continue. Round 5. By the end of which month? January. I hope by the end of January. That's 3.5 weeks to finish this and implement socket client and web server API to upload replays and compression. Doesn't seem doable. I don't know if I have to do that. I'm pretty sure I can just send files from Steam to myself. I'm pretty sure Steam helps you with this. Will your game be moddable in any way, Cakez? Yes, but not for the first demo version. That will come later. Chat, I think we're doing it. We're getting very far into the game. You need a web server? Okay, we're gonna get cooldown time. True. Money Mike, thank you very much for following, bro. Okay, so we are on round 8 right now. I want to get this node here. And now we can decide to either place a mage. Yeah, let's place a mage. I think that's a good idea, because we're gonna get armored enemies soon. So the one thing that we still need to add to the game more is enemies that drop items. I feel like I'm not dropping enough items at the moment. If I was a college assignment, you would do it in a week. If it was a college assignment. You mean doing the server thing? I don't think it's that much work, to be honest. And it will be one of the last things that we do. So I don't think it will be that big of a problem, to be honest. Why do you even need a server? We'll see what we need. I don't know. I have not done this before. I've never sent replay data from Steam to myself or to some sort of server. So I think it will be doable, but we'll have to do some research on it. But we are not the first person that has this issue, so there will be documentation on how to do it, whether that be on Steam or some other website.
Great.
Anyway, seems fire so far. Keep up the good work, Cakez, and the best of luck to you. Thank you, Mr. Majestic Label. I appreciate it.
Big retard, don't help.
Now, chat, to be honest, I'm expecting my demo version to do okay. I'm not expecting it to do crazy numbers or anything like that. I'm expecting the demo version to have, let's say, 10 players when I release it, and then maybe dribble down to like 1 or 2 players a day. But hopefully, with your guys' feedback and updates, the demo version will have a stable 1 to 2 to 3 players a day, maybe 5 players at most. And that will hopefully be a good sign for me. Show me that there is something there that we can build on. Here's an inspiration for user experience, Cakez. Hi and welcome to the user interface, a challenging exploration of user interactions and design patterns. To play the game, simply fill in the form and as fast as accurate as possible. Click here to go to the next page. I see. Please click here. Is this supposed to be a troll? The site uses cookies. Yes. Wow. Choose password, email, domain. Oh my god, I have to delete it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A. So that, you know, we're gonna be smart, chat. Everyone thinks we use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but we're gonna put an A at the end. We're actually smart. Email. Holden. Ma. Domain. Oh, there is no tab. Okay. Holden Ma Groin. Dot. Government. I do not accept. Hurry up, time's ticking. Lock. Dude, stop. Hey! Lock. Unlock. Lock. Unlock. Brother, get me out of this. How do I get out of this? Can we help? Bro, I need to get away from it. Okay, it works. Next. Your password is at least 10 characters, 1 capital letter. Oh, I see. 1 numeral, 1 letter from your email. Okay. 1 cyrillic letter. Is this a cyrillic letter? Next. Huh? Cyrillic? This? Cancel? I'm not clicking reset. Help! Okay. Okay, bro. Hey. Next. Password is not safe. What do you mean? Why not? How is this not safe, bro? How do you think? How do you say this is not safe? Huh? Next. Aha! That's me. To complete your profile, please upload any image. Choose 3 interests. Bro. Okay, what am I interested in? Balls? Dough? Ponies? Tires? Windows? Mullets? Unselect all. Oh, there's an unselect all button. Cool. I don't know. Polo? What is polo? Ponies? We gotta go for them ponies, right? Ponies are awesome. I like squares. I built a 2D game, it's full of squares. And I like Windows, the operating system. Next. First name. Top! Mister. Number 1. Number 10. City. Cakestown. Oh my god! Okay, we now live in... What is this country? Oh, okay. Cambodia. Box? Box 1? What is a box? Birth date. 2nd May. No, oh my. It starts on 1990. Then you have to go up. Okay. Male, yes, next. Age and birth date don't match. Okay. Gender and title don't match. Next! Almost done. Now we just need proof that you're human. Select all pictures with Let me guess, I can't click on the picture. I have to click on the... It's typical. User interface. It took me 7 minutes. How long did it take you? Hello, Mr. Peter. How long did it take you, my brothers? Took me 25 minutes the first time. 1 minute. Oh, you're banned. This guy's banned. You're lying. 5 minutes. 7+ minutes with cheating. 30 seconds or you banned too. Anyone else? I can see you're doing... I can see you're going to copy ideas to Tangy TD. Yeah, good ideas here in this game. It took me 15 minutes, lost a bunch of in the first page. Wow, I'm good then. Can I see where I'm on the list? Is there like some sort of 7-14 minute? You're lying too, because it took me 7-15 minutes. You just put 1 second up before me. Chairhorst, you're lying. Would you mind telling me, Cakes, in all honesty, if my graphics are shit or okay? Show me your graphics. I can be honest with you. I don't know if you can handle it though. So, sure, I can tell you. There's no problem. You gotta brace for impact then though. Give up when it made me type acrylic characters. Okay, well, awesome int thing. Let's move on, chat. Let's go here. Where are we? Round 11. Let's get cooking. We got more points. We're just gonna spawn another mage for that. There you go. This is the mage front. It's gonna destroy all of the enemies coming in. Right? Easy, chat. See, I told you. Nothing's leaking. Easy, easy, easy. I thought that you would have to actually accept the terms and conditions. You needed to reach the bottom to accept it, but scroll slowly like hell. Oh, I see. I did that on accident and it worked. I get it now. The game looks so crisp, Cakez. Thank you. Oh, we get another hero, right? We're gonna choose the ranger. Another hero, chat. We can get another one of these here too. Nice. God, yes, I love this. It's awesome. Big potential, hopefully fun. That's why I replay the game so much myself. To test out if it's fun or not. Hello, Prabhav on YouTube. 7 minutes and 14 seconds it took me. Harbor on YouTube says that. You're wrong, you're lying. I know that you are. Because it's literally 1 second faster than me. You're a bunch of liars. You know that, guys? You're actually a bunch of liars that do not tell the truth. And I'm actually surprised that it took you guys so long. Do you have a wishlist goal, Cakez? No, I don't have a wishlist goal. I have a playtime goal for my demo. I'll show you what that is in a second. While we let these guys play this round. This one's a big round. We might lose, actually. But I'll show you what that means. On Steam Partner, there's this website here. When you have an app on Steam, you can view your dashboard. Your game, if you have more than one game, you need to choose your game. And if you have a demo version out for that game, you can go to the view sales and activation reports. And then over here we have the demo version of this game. You can click on this demo version. And it tells you how long people play your demo version. No! And it tells you how long people play the demo version. For me, it's 6 minutes. I plan on improving this time to hopefully 30-40 minutes. That would be amazing. I do not have 5k wish lists. I have 500 wish lists. This is nothing. However, I'm not actively advertising my game too. So if I were to advertise my game on stream every day, that would be different. I'll do that once the demo version is out again. So yeah, that's what I'm aiming for. I'm aiming to improve these numbers right here. For me, wish lists mean nothing until these numbers look much better. At that point, the wish lists become important because I know the people that played my game will come back to play it again. And that's when emails to wish lists become very important. But right now, this is the important part. I need to make sure that people... It's like a YouTube video. You can think of this as a YouTube video. The steeper the curve right here, the worse the YouTube video is. And so the less steep this curve is, the better. And so I'm trying... I lost. I knew that I was gonna lose. Damn it. Can we do something about this? Maybe give this guy a weapon? I need 240 money. Maybe give this guy shield ops? Do we have any... Maybe we can do this. Oh my god, that's insane, the damage. Yeah, this round is crazy, round 13. Oh my god, look at that! Ooh. I'm still losing. It's too many going through. Don't do that. Oh, so close! Cakez. This is the game I'm working on, but I'm just terrible with pixel art. Bloom is missing, but I'll implement it soon. As well as simple 2D lighting all over the place. And decorations. Bro, what are you talking about? I was expecting some dog. I was expecting some terrible game, bro. That looks amazing. What are you talking about? Huh? That looks good. Dude, this fire. Oh my god, look at the menu. Holy. That's great, brother. What are you talking about? Hey! Shh. I'm talking. Your font is a little bit broken here. But otherwise, it looks amazing. And the font is a little bit broken here too. Because typical C++ implementing font, right? Difficult to do. I feel you, brother. But this looks good. Especially the trees, man. Holy, how long did it take you to make these? Did you make these yourself?
Gotcha, bitch.
That's crazy. And the ground looks good too. Let's see, what is here? Yeah, apart from, like, listen, the only thing that I don't understand in this game is...
Gotcha, bitch.
What is the game about? Is this supposed to be something... That looks good too, man. I think he brought them from 3D, thanks. But when I look at your game, everything is bright and nice and happy mood. And I think that makes a big difference. Yeah, brother, but I'm making a tower defense game that is supposed to be happy. But that doesn't mean that, like, and this is a more cozy mode here, because this is supposed to be a cozy experience where you want to go to sleep. However, that doesn't mean that your game is bad. If you take your game, that reminds me of Diablo. That's good. That's a good feeling, bro. Your game reminds me of Diablo. That's fine. Do you want to check out my tower defense game, Cakes? You can link it. If you want to, yes. Why not? You accomplished your goal, Cakes. Your game does put me to sleep. So, bro, did you actually draw these yourself? How did you do this? This is good. This looks nice, man. Really nice stuff. How did you do these trees? You could check it out here on Steam. Wait, didn't we look at this before? The Necromancer... I think we looked at this before. Sure. I think we could try to play this tomorrow, if you want to. If you remind me tomorrow, since I'm late today, but you can remind me tomorrow, we can play this tomorrow. Learn something from the game. Looks good, man. Sure. Really good game. Early access game? How much? So, you mind sharing some of your... sales data too? If I play this tomorrow, we could talk about this tomorrow and I play this, and then you share some sales data, some wishlist data, some demo data. Like, for example, what I showed you just now. Can you share that too? Can you share this? Maybe not. Yeah, maybe this graph. You can send this graph to me over Discord. Send that graph to me in a DM on Discord, and then we can compare the two. Because I think you having 23 reviews... Is that your first game? Yeah. You having 23 reviews sounds good, man. Really nice stuff. It's actually amazing. You don't need to share profits. Stop talking shit, brother. I always like to compare myself with other smaller creators. To see like where we can improve together. Yeah. That's great, man. Good stuff, bro. What is the game made in? We're gonna talk about that tomorrow. Right, let's see here. Chat. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do here? Let's see. We lose to these rats. There's too many of them. There's too many of them, rats. Round 13. I can get past the round. We could place another hero, maybe. Let's see if that does something. It's not that much damage, though. Is it a waste of time? A waste of effort, maybe? Wow, this is crazy. There are 2 attacks. But we have no skill points to spend. 140 gold. Yeah, it's actually worse than before. Is it? Are we winning? Wait, did we win? We won! Also, Cakez, do you fear that your game will not sell enough? I keep thinking if I release a game, let's assume it's a really good one, but nobody knows about it, what are the odds of succeeding? So you fear of your game being bad? Take a look at Vampire Survivors. Steam DB. A good game, in my opinion, will eventually show itself. Now, you can take a look at Vampire Survivors, go to maximum, and then you see at the very beginning, you can actually draw the interval yourself. You can drag this over here to the very beginning before the game blew up. When he released the game, it had 5 players, December 17, sorry. And then it took him more than 10 days, 20 days, until the game finally popped off. So this period right here, the game was relatively unknown. No one was playing it, but eventually it did pop off because it was a good game. And now you could be saying, well, that's Vampire Survivors. This guy is an outlier. I agree, okay, fine. How about this? Sorry, my wife just called. How about this? Backpack Battles SteamDB. So there we go. This is a game, relatively unknown game, has a demo version as well. And look at the graph for this game. Started out very well, but currently has a consistent player base of about 2,000 to 3,000 every day. Now, this game is relatively unknown, has a demo version out that wasn't advertised much at all, and to this day has 100 players, to 100 to 150 players every day playing it. And if you take a look at the maximum and we go to the very beginning, you can see that in the very beginning the game had almost no players too, but at some point it popped off as well because people found the game and they kept playing the game. Therefore Steam kept advertising it, and then it blew up because something happened. Maybe someone played it. I heard that XQC played the game, and that helped the game out a lot, which made it become quite successful. You see this, 2,000 players. So if you have a good game, an interesting concept, because the game's good, yeah. If you have a good game, it's very, very likely that Steam will push your game, and you will get the players that you deserve. But if your game is not good, you can't live in a delusion, think your game is good, and then wonder why no one's playing it. And let's say that, like, let's say, and you think, well, okay, let's make the argument, bring it further. Oh, you just need to get lucky, someone needs to play my game, and then the game's gonna be amazing, right? That's what you could think from this. That's not true either. Take a look at Immortals of Avernum. That is a AAA game. SteamDB. I'll show you. Charts. It has 52 players right now. That is a AAA game. Compare that to a demo version for Backpack Battles that hasn't been updated in years. In years. Okay? And it has 135 players. One day, every day. This one has 50 players. But take a look at this. The advertising that went into this is insane. Let's take a look at the very beginning of the game, the release. We had 751 players. And you might be thinking, wow, where's the Steam markers, by the way? I need to see the Steam. Where's Steam? Shouldn't there be Steam here too? Give me a second. Average players. Players. Views Twitch chart? Ah! Markers. But can I not see... I do not want to see the Twitch stuff, but I want to see this together. Did they separate these two out? Chat, what happened? I thought that you could look at this together with Steam, with Twitch. Sorry, yeah, with Twitch.
Gotcha, bitch.
Where's that? Did they... Why did you separate this out, Steam? That was so good. You could see Twitch together with the player numbers. That's annoying. Wait a minute, let me see here. I want to merge these two. Less API calls, but you see the data is here too. You just need to merge the two graphs in together. Compare with others. Oh wow, you can compare this with others. That's crazy. Cool. Well, unfortunately, I can't find it. Maybe you guys know anything? Do you guys know why it is this way? Does someone know? No clue? Well, that's a bit annoying, but okay. Yeah, that's a bit annoying, I have to say. Why can I not see the... Wait, I really want to figure this out. Download? Can I not see the Steam data? What if I link? What is this link? Unfortunately, we can't. Well, fine. Okay, so let's just take a look at this then. It's a bit annoying. Usually you would be able to see the Twitch stuff, Twitch data here too, but I guess I can't see this here. Essentially, the point is the following. On release, the 22nd August of 2023, we had 751 players. And on Twitch, at the same time, they did massive advertisement. On the same day, you could see that on Twitch we had 234,000 viewers. August 21st, 2023. So at the same day the game came out, we had over... Well, we had about 250,000 viewers watching the game. So to say that there were eyes on the game is an understatement. They had a massive advertising campaign, but it resulted in absolutely no players at all. And you can see on the reviews that about 68% think the game's good, while the others think it's not. So we have a huge negative review counter compared to positive reviews. So what I'm trying to say here, to get to the original point, is a good game very likely will always show itself on Steam in the player numbers, in how long people play the game and how many players you have every day coming back to your game. The consistent baseline. There are games that have done 0 updates. Look at this. Steam, DB, Gothic 2. This is my game. This is my game that I love the most. Look at the charts for this game. It started out with 50 players in 2012. And right now it's sitting at 1,600 players. This is not my game, but this is the game I played in my childhood. This is the one game that basically brought me into game development. That made me want to make games too. It just keeps growing. It keeps going up. My wife's calling. Give me a second.
Gotcha, bitch.
Oh my god! What happened? What did I do? No, I'm sorry! What the fuck is that? Microsoft Office? I didn't want to start that trash. Jesus, I'm sorry. Oh my god.
To add in a proper options menu in both in the town and in the main menu. I want to make it so that the options menu is now a drop-down menu, or not a drop-down, but like a pop-up. No, it's not a pop-up, but it's like a fuck. Always on top? Anyways, hello, who cares on YouTube? Good morning. Hope you're doing good, bro. What I was saying is your fear. So do you understand now? Your fear of having a good game perform badly on Steam. It won't. It's very unlikely that you have a really good game and no one finds it. Simply because a good game will show in the statistics of the game if it's a good game. If you have a game and you think it's a good game and your graph for the game looks like this, where 99% of players quit in the first 10 minutes, that's not a good game. And the stats will show you that it's not a good game. So you need to make sure that you're looking at the stats and you put out the glasses that you might see your game through, some sort of Wonderland glasses, okay? That tell you, oh, the game's so cool. You need to take these glasses off, put them down, and then look at the game through the stats. And that will show you. For me, that is 6 minutes, terrible game. And so, yeah. Let's continue. Playing the Garble, round 14. Okay. Did not find an item yet. But we are level 3 here, so we could get Fireball. Or cold damage, more damage. Kinda wanna get fire though. That's the most obvious thing in the world, Cakes. Why do you need to explain that good products sell? I think you're missing the point. I think you're missing the point of what I was trying to tell you. But also, I wasn't talking to you, brother. I was talking to Mr. Katemoy. And Remake, thank you very much for following.
Am I so out
for
of
subscribing,
touch?
sorry, with Prime Gaming.
No.
Remake
Appreciate
just
it, bro.
Subscribed. Big tick support for 12 years.
My man. Thank you. Ooh, we got a golden one here. Easy. Easy peasy. Big money. Big money! And these guys leveled up again. Let's get a banner here. Gonna get a banner guy up and running. Yep. Ooh, there's the skeletons. Damn, look at that. Cakes, you're wearing the same glasses? No, I'm not. You're wrong. If you truly believe that I'm wearing the same glasses, thinking that my game will be good, after having brought out a game, seen that basically no one plays my game, if you think that and you're watching the stream for more than a day, you're absolutely wrong and delusional. You need to check your brain, brother. You actually have to check your brain to test if there's something wrong with you. Because I'm the first person that says that my game sucks. Okay. So I don't know what you're on about, bro. Do you balance the game through just trial and error? Yeah, I balance the game through feel. Yes. You will be late tomorrow too? Very unlikely. I don't have to bring my car to a repair mechanic and then have him assess how much money it will cost. And also, I had to go to TÜV today. Which I don't have to do tomorrow either. And I also had to be on a meeting today too, so I don't have to do that tomorrow either. So doubt that, brother. I doubt that. Very unlikely. Okay? You say that I'm delusional? You are delusional? No, I don't think I'm delusional. I think I'm very close to reality. Actually. No cap. 230. Oh, this one's gonna be crazy. Ooh. What are we gonna do here? There's gonna be the respawning rats too. Money. Wow, we have 300 monies. That's crazy. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. 280. Oh my god. Yes. Yeah, this is where we lose. We lose. GG. It's over. It's over. We got to round 17, and this is where we lose. Wow, that round is crazy. Round 17, huh? GG. Yeah, GG's. But we got 300 monies, so we can spend some money in the town. Let's see, anything good here? We could have gotten the fire stuff if we had more money. Rusty sword is also good for 20. I would have won. Very unlikely, brother. Let's see. Starting oranges is good. We can only get one upgrade. I feel like getting power. Or maybe attack radius is good too. Weapon discount. Actually, weapon discount is the best. Yeah, we're gonna get weapon discount. Let's play again. You said that last time too? Yeah, just wait. Just wait. I think we're good getting... Okay, so this guy has to be placed perfectly here. Then we place this guy pretty far down. There we go. Cakes, are you going to soft launch on itch or going straight to Steam? I'm already on Steam, and I will also upload the demo version to itch, but I will try to get a demo build going for itch. I do not want to have anyone download my game. This on Unreal? No, this is in C++. Let's give them some swords here, bro. Ooh, another item. Cakes, I will buy your game, play through it in 1 hour because you balanced all your levels for your skill. And then refund. Sorry, I'm not sorry. Sorry, not sorry. No, you won't. You think that you're good at this game? You're not. Just wait. I'm telling you, the game is actually quite difficult. $20% weapon discount is too good. That's even worse, lol. Guys, I'm balancing it for my enjoyment. Because I want to have fun in the game. If it feels good to me, if it feels reasonable and good, I will bring it out and then wait for feedback, and especially wait for player numbers. I will wait for how long people play my game. I need to see videos of people playing my game to see for sure what is frustrating them and if they get frustrated. And so I'm currently balancing it using my own... How do you say that? How do you say that in English? Using my own... how do you say that in English? How do you say that in English, man? I'm going to the bathroom. I don't know how you say that in English, but using my own... I'll figure it out in the bathroom. Give me a second. No, not amusement. Gut feeling, not either. Using my own... Because more than one means...
Hello, my brothers, I'm back! Ho, 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 ho! Using my own judgment.
I told you I was gonna know what it is. I'm balancing the game using my own judgment. Told you. Chat, is 20% weapon discount too crazy? Should we go for 10%? $20% is too good, right? We go from 120 to 96, so we're saving 24 gold or 24 golden oranges every time we get an upgrade. But it's only on the defender. It's difficult to say, but I think it should be 10% instead of 20. I feel like 10% is better. On judgment asks chat. Yeah, I do look for some confirmation. I feel like it's a bit too strong. It allows me to get too many upgrades. 15%? I think 10%. I think it has to be nerfed a bit. What is the difference between Vulkan and OpenGL? Vulkan is more fine-grained. You can think of Vulkan and OpenGL. Compare that to Java or let's say C# and C++. C# does not let you do memory management while C++ does. And so when you're interfacing with Vulkan, you also have to interface with the graphics, with the memory of the GPU and the CPU. Uploading data, for example, into shaders or to the GPU. And so you have to do that in Vulkan. You don't have to do that in OpenGL. You do have to upload data, of course, but OpenGL handles that for you. So Vulkan is like a C++ version of C#. Something like that. It's great to learn, but difficult to master. And also, if your goal is to make a game, then going with Vulkan as your first graphics API is probably a bad idea. I did that and I was stuck with Vulkan for the longest time. So the first 2 years of developing my game was spent or wasted on Vulkan. Let's say first 2 years of C++ game development for me was spent on Vulkan, learning Vulkan mostly. Rather than making games. And then once I switched over to OpenGL, it got a lot better. Ooh, boom. Let's see how that feels. We now have explosions. I want to see that. Ooh, big AoE. Oh, money. Hello, bro. Please, how can I render tile maps of LDTK and tiled in Raylib? What is LDTK? And how you can render tile maps? You just render them in an array. I don't know. A tile map is just this, bro. This is a tile map here, bro. So just a two-dimensional array, and then you just render quads in this array. This is 0, 0, and then this is NN. Sorry. Or whatever, maybe you have N and M. Because you might have more rows than columns. Depends how you want to do it. And so each tile in here, each tile has coordinates, texture coordinates. Or a texture associated with it. Whether that is coordinates or a texture, it doesn't matter. And then you just say, well, this tile is this texture, and then you draw them. You can use I and J as indexes into this. So this over here would be I, And this over here would be J. Then you just go in a loop. Render this. If you want to see how that is implemented in my game, I'll show you. For row index, column index, get the texture coordinates of the layer, the tile. So that's what it looks like actually. We get the layer and then the tile, row, column index, texture coordinates, draw quad. Very simple. That's my game background drawn. And how do the quads look? How do the coordinates look? Well, like this. Every single quad is just one piece here. One piece. That's all it is. I can place it here if I want to. See this? And now I just place the tile here and it would be shown up. It would show up in the game at that point. And so now you come up with your own solution to this. You don't have to do it exactly like I do. That's the cool thing about making games, bro. It's up to you how you want to implement it. Good advice, thanks. Sure, bro. Listen, the thing about making games is you need to learn to solve your own problems. There won't be anyone out there that will teach you how to make your game. You need to get comfortable with the idea of having an idea of what you want to do and then umsetzen in English. Give me a second, okay? I need to Google something. Google! And translating that into code. Yes. Ooh, money. Let me check YouTube. I think I skipped a bunch of messages. Sorry about this, YouTube, you guys. Are you going to have multiple difficulties in this game? No, I don't believe in multiple difficulties. Maybe I will, but for the first versions, no, there won't be. I don't like the idea of multiple difficulties because I feel like you failed as a game developer if you need multiple difficulties. There should be one difficulty that everyone likes playing. Damn it, we lost on round 9. We lost a couple of hearts. Fine. I kinda understand how the graphics work now. You antiquate a really high user base on launch, but you're anticipating only a small portion of that user base will continue playing. You mean this graph right here that we talked about earlier? Sorry, the context is gone now. I apologize for YouTube not updating you guys. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. I'm German, yes. The game looks better and better. Thank you, man. You can't beat level 1. It's supposed to be level 1, supposed to be the only level in the game. You're not supposed to run through this the first time. Ooh. Chat, we're in trouble. JK, we're not. Oh god, the item! A green apple? That's a tier 2 item. Why do I get a green apple? A green apple is bad. Also, who has the green apple? Damn it, I should not have gotten this item. Tier 1 items? Are you kidding me? Crispy meat, tier 1 accessory? Then that's supposed to be common. Okay, what does a green apple do? Chat, we need better stats for the green apple. What do you think? And who has the green apple? The ranger? has the green apple as the tier 2 item? Who's gonna get the... Maybe the mage gets the apple? It's an apple, bro! Apple. What should apple give us? Cooldown reduction? I could be on board with that. Cooldown reduction? Why do I appear twice? Oh, hello, Mr. Travis Roman. Didn't see you there. How's it going? How's the family? Good. Thanks for asking, man. Family is good. Zoe is so fucking cute. Damn. Why does it appear twice? It appears twice here. Oh, because I don't have items for the ranger. Tier 2 items. So I'll probably have to get rid of these. Though the green apple, now that you're talking about it, it should be tier 2 item. You know, why not? The green apple is yummy. Power him up. Well, what would the green apple be then? It's an item in the game. Let's see. Health regeneration? Health regeneration could be nice. How does that work even? It's percentage-wise, isn't it? The base value here is percentage of maximum life. 0.2% health regeneration. Well, since... Okay, then put it on tier 2. Put it on tier 2. Tier 2 item. Health regeneration. An apple makes you stronger, so I feel like it should just be damage. Giving you, let's say, 20% damage. Base 1 increased only, okay. And then maybe cooldown reduction. How does that work? Only increased. Say 10%. If you eat the apple, God's finger comes down and crushes the Tangy Monty Python style. Now we put the green apple from tier 1 items to tier 2 items. Which... Then this is uncommon. Which is a problem because now we have it in... Well, it's in tier 2 items here. Yeah, chat, we have a mistake. It's a mistake that we have this. I need to go back to round 9. Unfortunately. And let's hope we drop another item. Which probably we won't. Oh, money. What did you say? You should make everything more expensive and a closed ecosystem. An apple? Maybe some green toxic apple giving poison damage over time. That would be a poison bottle that we hold in the right hand. That would be for the ranger. Actually a good idea. I'm gonna write that down. Good idea, brother. Really good idea. Let's close this here. I'm gonna add this immediately. Otherwise I'll forget. That's a good idea, bro. That's also on the demo list for the ranger. Well, the first 6 items are done on the ranger. But we can add another ranger item. Why not? An off item for the ranger. Let's see. Poison. Poison. Let me see. Do I have a bottle here somewhere? Bottle. I think I... Do I? No, I don't. Okay, so we have to draw that ourselves. Well, how would a poison bottle look like? Actually, I do have that. Let's just Google this. Ooh! That looks good. Oh yeah. Ooh. Is a skull on the button? Yeah. I like that. Shh, guys, relax. I'm not yoinking. I'm just getting inspired, okay? I wonder how big we're gonna make this then. 16? How do we put it here? Where's the lantern? It is kind of 16 by 16, isn't it? I'll try to put it here first. Let's see. Okay, now glass. Okay, so this is where we need a thing like that. Is that good? Ah! Ooh? Oh. Oh yeah. That looks good. Mm-hmm. Maybe put a knob in here. And the cool thing is, guys, why is that not aligned here? There you go. Wait, that's supposed to be darker, so we do a bright one here and then a darker one here. Mm-hmm. Good. We need to put green liquid in this as well as give it some shading. So down here should be some shading. Oops. And then I guess we have the background here and then the poison in there. Let's just fill it up with poison first. Like that, looks good. And then we give it a little bit of a darker outline like that. And then we need to have some highlights here. Over here, that's the back of the bottle. Then I suppose we make it completely dark like that. Yeah, and then this is making it a bit darker here too. Oh wait, that's bad. I feel like now what I need to do Let's add in some highlights. But not that bright.
Gotcha, bitch.
Huh? Well, Cakez, would you drink this? Absolutely not. It looks weird. Oh. Well, let's try to put a skull on it. How can we put a good-looking skull without it taking too much away? Probably want to do something like that, right? And then we put 2 eyes. Yikes. Yeah, and then we could maybe select this to control U and then make it less opaque. What do you guys think? Does it look good? Teeth in the middle instead of outside? I think this looks good. As a first little bottle, very good. Design, it's brilliant. It's wonderful to see such talented yoinker at work. I don't know what you're saying. It's not yoinked, it's just getting inspiration and I did my own thing, brother. So, the only thing is, we need to put an outline. Oh, shit. No. Just here. Shift outline. Bro, that looks amazing. That looks good. I feel like the only thing is, instead of blue, we should try to get maybe a different color for the bottle? Or maybe a brighter color. Oh. Chat, that's it. Oh. Oh no. Kinda destroyed itself, did it? How did that happen? Okay. Chat. What do you think? Maybe that? Oh. I think that's good enough. And then we're gonna do this. How about green bottle to translate the poison better?
Gotcha, bitch.
Think the neck looks very tall. So you think this right here, bro, should be moved one down? It's a good idea. Yep, good idea, bro. Okay, so let's keep it like that for now. Cool. New item. Thing is, only problem, this right here is a bit... What if I do that? Nah. I'll try doing this. It looks a bit odd, but yeah. Let's keep it like that. Then it's 16 by 16. For later though. Poison. You know what? I'm gonna implement the poison bottle right now. Why not? Green apple. Item poison bottle. That's tier 2 though. Green apple is tier 2 as well. Wait. Yep. Okay, so the poison bottle is gonna be a trinket. I guess it's an item type offhand. I guess it's called shield. Wait, give me a second. Type. Armor, shield, wand, sword, staff, bow, wand, mace, shield. Yeah, it's... shield. And then sprite, green apple. Oops. Sprite item, poison bottle. And we can make the poison bottle better over time. Get that. Look cooler over time is what I mean. See, by the way, this is how I learned pixel art over the course of 2 years. I just drew small items, try to draw small items every day. Is this great? It's not the best, but it's also not the worst. So yeah, that's how I started learning pixel art, bro. You just train yourself over time. Anyone can do it. It doesn't take that much work. You just have to be consistent. 96. Okay, so now that we have the poison bottle, we have that here too, and then string. Oh, here we go. Poison bottle, string. Cool. It's an uncommon item. What should it be? It will give us poison damage. Increased. Or maybe even base poison damage. Since this is a tier 2 item, maybe 40 poison damage. That would be a great idea. And then poison... chance of, let's say, 20%, and then stat poison duration. Increase that by 30%. These are some random numbers right now that I make up because I don't know how they will be balanced in the game later. I just made up these items. Now we have a poison bottle in the game. And then instead of the... together with the green apple, we can also get the item poison bottle. There you go. On the ranger. Tier 2 item, my brothers. Oh yeah, also, green apple is here. We need to put it in the tier 2 items. Item poison bottle. Now it can be found in the game. Hey, why do I have an error? I don't. Isn't that amazing? Now the problem is I have to replay my game because I added a new item.
Gotcha, bitch.
So we have to keep playing from the beginning again. God damn it. However, we have a new item right now. Let's see. Unlock all heroes.
Gotcha, bitch.
Unlock all items. Let's get the ranger here. Eh? What the hell is going on? What happened? Cakez, would you ever consider making an engine with C#? No, why? I don't see a reason to make an engine with C#. I don't see a reason to make an engine with C# because I've made an engine in C++, and I don't see a reason to use C# over C++ for control. If I wanted to make a game in C#, I would just use Unity. I feel like it's a waste of time after you've made an engine in a certain programming language to make another engine in another programming language. If that programming language that you used, let's say C++, Odin, Zik, J, already has the building blocks of memory management. Why would you use a different language that has the same capabilities? Unless you really need to do it. I just see it as a waste of time, kind of. What the hell is going on? Okay, I found the bug. I have to fix that off stream. It selects... We're gonna do that. I'm gonna do that off stream. It breaks the hero list for some reason. But okay, let's just play. I don't know why. It's a partial waste of time, and that if you are not any more productive with a different language, it's just borderline masturbatory pleasure. Okay. Whatever that guy said. Okay. Making a 2D game in C++ is like fishing with a...
This person does not understand why making an engine in C++, or let's say a game in C++, is incredibly valuable for the future for any game developer.
It's not the point that you're making a 2D game or a 3D game in C++. It is that you're training yourself to solve problems on your own. Because if you make yourself an engine, you are the only person that knows the engine, and therefore you are the only person that can fix the engine too. So yeah, it's ultimately the best training ground to learn how to fix problems. Maybe we win this time, guys. No, I leaked. How? Yeah, this one got lucky. It's fine. It's fine. You just got lucky.
Commit and push
Not gonna happen again.
And then go vegan.
You think you can get by me? No, you can't. Wooden sword, hell yeah. Hello Zend, my man, good morning. That sounds like too much work. I rarely even think about MMM anymore. What is MMM? Oh, Gingerbill, I have a question for you. Awesome that you're here. Welcome, by the way, bro. You probably typed earlier and I missed the message. Welcome, bro. Hope you're doing good. Good enough. Thank you, man. Yeah, good enough. Thank you. I have a question for you. When it comes to Odin and developing games in Odin, I have a file here. It's not the only file. I actually need that. My file is 29,000 lines of code. And I have a couple of other things in my engine too. But in total, I think I have about 60,000 lines of code right now in the game. Maybe something like that. Maybe a bit less. So like my question is the following. If I build a Unity file, or let's say I don't even remember how you build Odin anymore. Do you just build one Odin file? How does that work? Do you have your main Odin file and then you just build that one file, even if you have 10,000 files that you include? I don't remember how that is. But my question is, how does the compilation time go up in terms of files and code? Odin is effectively an automatic Unity build. You just pass the directory and it's done. Okay, so how's the build time comparatively? Right now, if I build, let's see, count. 1, 2, about 2 to 3 seconds at the moment. Compilation time is linear with code-ish. So if I have 3 seconds in C++ here, would you assume that it's going to be 3 seconds in Odin too? Because most of the code that I'm compiling is my own code. There's barely any additional... So, I don't know, like, what is your biggest project and how big is your compilation time there? Would be cool to do a compilation time comparison. Probably a bit faster than C++. The Windows header is probably 90%. No, it's not. It's not. Why don't... Well, okay, fine. We are at the beginning anyways, right? Let's do this. Build.sh. Let's see where I spent most of my compilation time. Profile build. Let's see. Our biggest project in Odin is Jenga FX, and it's about 600,000 lines of code. It takes 1.2 seconds on my machine development build, but I also have a 7950 CPU. Okay, so you have a strong CPU. My CPU is something Ryzen or something. I don't know. Let's see. Task manager.
Gotcha, bitch.
Maybe you know if it's a good CPU. I have no idea. AMD Ryzen 370. 3700. Is that a good CPU? Cakez, did you pay for that CPU? No. Mr. Zere gave that CPU to me. And I also have another CPU from Nevada at home that's a bit better than this one here. As far as I remember, it must be, I think it's from Zero. It's in the description of my Twitch channel. I think it's from Mr. Zere. That Ryzen 7 should be good. Okay, so now I just built my game using... Yeah, it built a JSON file, 540 PM. So that's my game. And then we can open up Chrome. And I will always forget this. It's something JSON. What is it called, guys? / what is this called? You can debug JSON files. You can open JSON files and visualize them in Chrome. It is called... Does anyone remember this? What you put there? It shows you the JSON files in a nice little graphical format. It is, you just type something in like an address in Chrome. Let's just see Chrome. Tracing. Yeah, tracing. Chrome tracing. There it is. And then we can load a JSON file here. For example, the game.json. And then it shows us. There we go. So this is the front-end compilation time. It takes 1.3 seconds. It's not that bad. So the entire build process, that's not linking, building, is 1.3 seconds, and then the source code here is 600. That's the game, yeah. And then in the game, the schnitzel library. And then in the schnitzel library, the most is STB image. So I can't get away from STB image. So the most time is spent on STB image. 400 milliseconds. And then there's somewhere... Do you do that, right? Here's somewhere intrinsics. So I don't think I can... Unless I turn this into a pre-compiled header, I don't think I can get that down further. So it's about 2.4 seconds. So your next game in Odin plus Raylib, Cakez? For our next game, we're gonna test out different languages and engines. And we'll all probably spend about a week making a game in each. So I'll try to make and finish a game in each of these settings over the course of a week. That's what I'm planning on doing. Hopefully I'll get to it, and hopefully it works out the way I think it will work out. And then we'll see. We'll compare them, building time, how we feel in the engine, how we feel with the language, and how easy it is to change and add content and finish games. And then we're gonna see, right? He said it will use Unreal Engine. I said that I will try out Unreal Engine. Yeah. I'll try out Unreal Engine. Yes. Perry, thank you very much for following. And Kelvin Maelstrom as well. And it looks like YouTube chats again got bugged. Sorry about this. Yeah, YouTube chat bugged again. Sorry about this. Cakez, will you allow pausing the game when you... when the console is up, or is the console only for you? It's only for me. I will not get the console to the... give the console to the player for now. It will only be for me. I don't see a reason to give that to you guys at the moment. Okay, let's continue here though. Very interesting. So 1.3 seconds for such a big game, so probably less for me then. If I make a small game, the compilation time of Odin will be less than a second, correct? How long is the compilation time if you just compile Raylib in a single project? Do you know that out of your head? Ginger Bill? Let's say I just have Odin and Raylib. Fast, dot. Cakez, it's gonna be fast, bro. Okay. Milliseconds. Fine. Now, do you have a rounding function in your library? Because J does not have a rounding function. Okay. Thank you. Appreciate that. Okay, we have a rounding function, my brother, so we do not have to spend 4 hours coding a rounding function in Raylib, in Odin. That's awesome. You know, these things are, advantages, I have to say, when you have to code your own rounding functions and you're terrible at math, of course, you're gonna spend 4 hours on a rounding function, you're not gonna spend 4 hours on making a game, bro. No, you need to figure out how to round properly. That's not great. We don't want to build rounding functions, we want to build games, right? That's the question you ask. Listen, we have tried Odin. Odin was amazing. I have only good things to say about Odin. Bro, it's this one guy every time. The only question is, well, why would I use Odin over C? Excuse me. Right? That's the big question. What advantages do we have if we use Odin instead of C? Sanity of life is the reason as to why, pretty much. Because we've made an entire game in Raylib and C, and I didn't have any issues. It was really fun to make it. The only annoying part is building C. Oh, by the way, can you use Odin to build C++ projects? Did you know that you can do Zig? And then I think, what is it called? C... I don't know, what is it? CC or something? And then you do a C or main.c file. You can do this and compile C++ with Zig. Odin doesn't have a C compiler built in with it. ZigCC is literally just a Clang front end. I thought so. So it's Clang. Clang is great though. I wish Odin will support Cakez. What is Cakez? Is that an engine or something? Okay, my brothers, we need to get more range, and then we also get level up here. We put the pointer right here, and then we keep continue. Interesting, really cool. Oh, I have a question, Gingerbell. How long did it take you to make Odin? How many years? Because to me, it seems like Odin just appeared out of thin air. It's 8 years now. Okay, so that's a long time. That's crazy. Okay, wow. I thought Odin just appeared. It's like, boom, see you. Hello. Because I compare that with Jay from Jonathan Blow, and it feels like yours just so much further ahead. Why do you hate Clang? Cakez, what engine would you recommend someone who wants to program a game in 3D and want to use C++? Have you tried Unreal Engine? Have you tried that already? Try Unreal Engine first, see if you like working with Unreal Engine. And if you do, then use Unreal Engine. If you don't, then you can see if you cannot find... Well, if you want to use C++, well, making your own engine in 3D is tough. But you can watch a lot of Tokyo Spliff on YouTube. I don't know if you know him, but he's coding his own engine in C++. You can see how long that takes. And maybe you can learn something from him. I'm gonna embark on the 3D journey myself this year. But I still advocate for maybe use an existing engine. Or if you really wanna do your own 3D engine, keep it as simple as possible graphic-wise. And physics, probably get yourself a library that is free to use. What did you guys tell me is free to use library online for physics? 3D physics? That is also very efficient. Jolt. Yeah, Jolt. Something like Jolt, yeah. If you want to use make a 3D engine, probably try to use Jolt and play around. So try Unreal Engine if you like. You're working with Unreal Engine, just stay there. If you don't like it, then try out C++, make your own engine in C++, but use a physics library. That's free. Unless you are the genius of math. Okay? You're gonna spend years on physics, bro. I don't know if you want to do that. I spent a week on making an Aerofly, bro. I'm telling you. And if you're as stupid as me, then yeah, just use a library for that. Oh yeah, that was amazing. I was having a lot of fun. Though this is where this is where the emote spawned. That emote came from that part, you know. It's 2 years ago.
Gotcha, bitch.
That was amazing. Thank you very much for following, Paku. Thank you guys for following earlier as well. Thank you. You're gonna buy the new upcoming RTX? You mean graphics card? Absolutely not, bro. Listen, as long as my computer works and I can play basic games on it, I'm not gonna buy a new The only time I'm gonna buy a new graphics card is if my graphics card dies. Otherwise, I would be using a 10-year-old graphics card right now. But it had to break down, man. I was so proud of this graphics card, you know. I bought it myself when I finished my Bachelor's of Science. I bought myself my own computer for the first time. Saved up a lot of money. Went in there, like, here's some money, man. Give me a computer. Yes. And so I was so happy with this, but the graphics card broke down after 8 years of using it. It has a memory bug. So uploading and downloading memory from the graphics card or changing memory breaks it. So my PC crashes with this. So for example, I could stream with that graphics card, but I can't play games with the graphics card that change the memory. Because usually games load and unload graphics card memory depending on the textures that you use. And that corrupts the memory and then the game crashes and the PC crashes. But otherwise, no need for graphics card, brother. Like, I'm not gonna play AAA games, and if there is a really good AAA game, then I'm just gonna play it on the lowest settings. Because for me, it's more about gameplay. Let's just play this round. I think it's fine. Right, chat? We're gonna win this round, do we? You don't need to do anything. Oh my god, don't sell yourself short, Cakes. You're actually really smart. You're able to do solo develop with no issues, not being sarcastic either. Thank you so much, Mr. Who Cares on YouTube, for $5. Thank you, man. What a big supporter, bro. Appreciate it. Oh, man. Thank you. Camera's in the wrong. Thank you so much, man. Oops. Needs to be... Need to move it to the right. You said if someone very smart he can try to do physics engine himself. Is it the same for Vulkan? It's the same for Vulkan, bro. I tried Vulkan. I spent 2 years on that and then switched to OpenGL. If you want to make the same mistake yourself, you do it, bro. I don't have issues coding this, bro. You're wrong. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Oh my god, the shields are missing! No way. I'm not losing. Fine, it's only one. It's only one. Rare late stream. Hey, Pekko Power, good morning. Yeah, I had a late start today. Bro took 4 hours to round. Yeah, I'm not good at math. That's true. Terrible at math, actually. I use BGFX instead of a specific graphics backend immo. Makes everything easier. Yeah, you can use Raylib or something like that too, exactly. Oh, we got an item. A fire stuff! A text... Ah, come on, bro. The fire stuff is out of the... Whatever. We're not gonna fix it for the demo. No, we're gonna lose. We're actually losing some life here? You kidding me? It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Cakes, don't you think players will be able to beat your game in run if you balance it? So, are you actually implying that I cannot play my game very well because I'm bad at games? And then someone that normal person playing my game will be able to beat the game because it's so easy? Are you implying that, Mr. Who Am I? Rounding floats properly is very difficult though. It's not just basic math, but knowing how floats are represented and work. See, thank you, Mr. Gingerbread. So it was normal that it took 4 hours to make a rounding function. See you guys. It's not that simple. Money. Ooh. Kill him, man. Okay, good. Bruh, I'm leaking too much. We are in big trouble, guys. Round 11 is coming, and that's a big round. Or was it round 13? Ooh, Big Snake on YouTube. Thank you very much for becoming a big supporter, aka joining the channel. Thank you so much for subscribing, bro. It took you 4 hours to add 0.5. Bro, it's not as easy as adding 0.5, okay, bro? Nice. Ooh, the Ranger. We're gonna get the Ranger. Yeah. Uh-huh. Okay, so this is where we get this guy. Place him. Very nice. If you're not the best at your own game, that's a good thing, right? To be frank, there's a reason I made the Odin programming language. C# was not enough for me. And what about C? Why didn't you like C? What is the problem you have with that language? I think C is great, bro. I don't know. I think everything that you need is in C. Apart from one thing. It's called operator overloading. I would love to have that. But otherwise, I think C has everything. C just broken, lots of issues. And I've been programming in C for about 2 decades now. Oh, I saw... Bro, how old are you?
Bro, you look like you're 30. What do you mean 2 decades? You started programming in C when you were 11 or something? What did you do, bro?
Like, there's no way. Younger than...
Gotcha, bitch.
This guy made a programming language and is younger than me? What? Thank God he left. First time chatter. Oh, you mean oh, wait a minute. I'll help you. I should give you a warning too. Fire stuff! Yes! Shit! Let's see. This guy is gonna deal big damage now. Fire stuff, fire ball. Ooh, big damage. Watch. Oh, 100 damage. Damn, this guy's huge. Oh, you see that? 600 damage on the fireball? That was AoE. Oh my god, this is a crazy round though. I think we will lose in this round. Oh my god. Uh-oh. Kill him, please. This guy's gonna beat all of them, right? Oh my god, I'm losing. Bruh. Do I? Yeah, I will. Oh man, fuck. I think the difficulty is because Cakez is not using much C++. He's constrained himself with C99 with mostly C, not C++. C++20 is pretty much amazing. No, I'm not having any issues coding C++, bro. I actually don't have any issues with C++. I think it's the best language ever, to be honest. Apart from the minor nitpicks I have. But otherwise, I'm having a blast with the language. Let's try to use the Ranger. Balanced until wave 20, you said? It is balanced, but... yeah, it kind of is difficult.
Gotcha, bitch.
Thank you, Mochi TV, Monkey TV, and Beavers for following. Show your love and send C++ some... When do we get the poison flask? That's a tier 2 item. It's supposed to come later. This guy just needs to have normal items first. Which right now he doesn't. Let's see, long shot or split? Let's do split arrow. Let's give that to him. Get that on both of these guys. Look at this. Cool. Do you have an estimate for when you will release the demo? I would really like to give it a try. I'll try to get it out this month. Coffee's ready. It is Valve month? What does that mean? Hey, you're an all-star? What does that mean? Do we lose now? No way I'm leaking. There's no way. I'm leaking round 4? Bruh. Oh, look at these 2 arrows. They're mid-air. Funny. Okay, then we get this guy and give him an upgrade. The bow orange is underpowered. Is he underpowered though? I don't think he is. I think the ability... 5 sec... I think it's fine, actually. Now this guy gets some weapon... Oh, money. Can you show the first lines of code in the main CPP file? Yeah, sure. So when's the demo ready approximately? I think approximately towards the end of January. Early February is what I'm aiming for. This is the list I have to complete. Let's put it to the right here. So what I still need to do is fix a couple of bugs. Play a little bit more off stream to get a feel for the game more. But I'll do that off stream. And mostly... This is mostly done. Balance a bit of the ranger abilities, but that's something I do off stream too. Skill tree is also fine. Mage needs one more item, one more staff and 2 more items. Skill tree is done for the mage, very basic one. Healer, I don't have any healer stuff. The healer comes very late. So basically the biggest thing that I need to put into my game at the moment is rounds and balancing the rounds. What I'm doing right now. Play testing and balancing the rounds based on, well, how it feels and how difficult it is. And if the player has some agency, if the player thinks he could have done something differently to change the outcome without meta progression being the only answer. So for example, you can always say, oh, if I just had more meta progression, I would have won. That's, in my opinion, bad game design, because then you're relying on one mechanic to get you through to the end. So that's why I keep replaying and getting a feel for whether I need to buff or nerf something. Basically, I want to get to 40 rounds. The moment I get to 40 rounds and I'm able to beat the boss, that's when I'm 99% done with the demo. With the content of the demo. And so today, the highest round we got to was, I think, round 17. Bro, and I'm leaking like hell. I'm losing all my lives. Yikes. Thank you very much for following, Craig Bennett and Der Zack. Good morning. Project? I don't have a command for that. Will be later. It's a tower defense game, like Bloons. Oh yeah, the main CPP file, you asked for that. Wait, I showed you that. That's this. Just a bunch of includes. And then some defines for different platforms. Oh, by the way, Gingerbill, how many platforms does Odin support? Can I build for the phone on Odin? How can you make meta progression meaningful if you should not affect how far you get? Genuine question. One meaningful thing in meta progression that does not affect how far you can get but still changes how you play the game is if you place a hero alone, a unit alone, they get 10% more range. And now you can strategically place units, make them deal more damage, but when you put them together, which is usually what you want to do in tower defense games, you get a debuff by having your range be reduced. That's one thing. Another thing would be to give yourself an advantage of gold collection, but making the enemies more powerful. So now you trade in difficulty for getting faster through the game. And the same can go for dropping items. You get more special items depending on the difficulty that you choose. So the meta progression. Unlocking features that were not available before that just give you more control but would require an extensive tutorial otherwise. Like, for example, let's say you have a unit that shoots a beam in one direction and by default you cannot set the beam. It will just shoot in a general direction. Let's say meta progression allows you to set up a target location where the beam is shot at all times. Well, basic generic power-ups are great too. But then you're playing the meta progression level. It's not that bad, but it's something to think about. I don't have a perfect answer yet. And I have to keep playing my game to find out some really cool stuff that you can do. The screen is flickering, yeah, because I slowed down the game. Because we're gonna lose this round. We lost. Chat, it's over. GG, it's over. We lost. These are 5 enemies. We lost. Round 9. So the Rangers are quite weak, comparatively. Hello there, Wumst. Good morning. Hello again. Nice to see the break being so chill and stress-free. The break? So yeah, like these basic things, attack radius +5, damage +5% are great. But again, come back to me in, let's say, a year's time, and I'll be able to tell you more. I don't 100% know. That one's too OP, by the way. This one's too strong. I can't go for this. So I need to balance this as well. A year. Yeah, so the more you work on something, the more experience you gain. And I've been playing this game, or my game, for the past... Give me a second. For the past 5 months, I've been playing this over and over again. So I have about 5 months of experience balancing this level. Or balancing a tower defense game. And because of your game, because of Element TD, because of Bloons TD, what other tower defense game did we play? We played the... this tower defense, the Tetris tower defense game. I don't remember the name. Because of these games, I've got a rough idea on what you could do. Are you using Photoshop? I'm using a program called Photopea. You can download this. It's a browser application that is much like Photoshop but free. And I use mostly all of that. Tetris tower defense game. Yeah, I forgot what name it was. Are you gonna make assets for yourself for 3D, or you're gonna buy some? I'll use pre-made assets and I'll dabble into AI as well to test how the workflow with AI is. Probably not as slow as Photoshop. It is reasonably fast. Some Photoshop features are slower than Photopea, but it does slow down on some stuff. It does slow down. AI, yeah. So I wanna test out how AI can create stuff. That will be another like section that we go into, just to give us. Listen, if we don't look at the future of how games will be developed in the future, and we waste a bunch of time on certain things that can be automated in the future, then that's not a good thing. It's not the future. We'll see. Maybe it's not. Maybe it is. We don't know. We'll have to see. So we should at least educate ourselves on the topic. That's how I see it. It doesn't mean that I'm gonna use it, but we should still take a look. Because when it comes to AI, I'm a total noob. Mr. Lolboy, thanks for joining. So it's not gonna be about coding, it's more going to be about asset creation. So for example, if I wanna have a tree in a 3D game, I'm gonna test how fast AI can generate me a tree, how good it looks, and then we'll see how the workflow is for that. You know, how efficient it can make me a tree, how good it looks, and, well, how the triangles are distributed. How many sugars do you put in your tea cakes? None, I don't drink tea. But on my coffee there's also no sugar in. I don't know which AI I'm gonna use, because I have no idea which AIs even exist. No. We'll have to see what I use. I'm English and hate tea. It's not... It's hot leafy water, yuck. Yeah, I'm not a big tea person too. I like coffee more. Sugar sucks. True, but it tastes good, bro. Sugar is awesome. But it's bad for you. True. So yeah, we'll see how we do it in the future, guys. First, this game. The #1 priority is this game, and I'm happy that I'm making good progress in the game. It feels good. You know, this is definitely a slow process, but we're getting there. The more I play this, the more I get a feel for, okay, what needs to change. And I have to say, I have a lot more fun than I had when I first released my first demo version. This feels a lot more fleshed out and polished, which it gives it a good feeling. Demo music plans. You want to know what type of music for the demo you want to make? You should make. To be honest, guys, what do you think about this song? From 1 to 10. For this level. For the first level. Sounds so casual. It's supposed to be a relaxing song. I want it to be relaxing, by the way.
Gotcha, bitch.
You know. There we go. Ooh. Uh-oh. Are we losing? Oh no, we don't. Nice. I like it. 7. It's nice and cozy. Reminds me of some Zelda music. But so far, this is what I have for the demo. And I think it's definitely a great start. Zenith is gonna make the music, yeah. He's gonna steal the music from Bloons and give me Bloons music. Okay, we got to round 11 this time. You should also record in-game actions if people turn off the music. Oh, you mean if... I see what you mean. Big thank you for Cakez doing what you do. Your Celeste Engine Scratch project has been an incredible resource for helping me make my own engine. Cheers. My man, thank you. I appreciate the support. The awesome, positive message. Thank you so much, my man. This sound is straight from Sims. This is not from Sims, bro. There's no way this is from Sims. This is made by Necropolis AD. He made the song himself, bro. Didn't you say you were taking a break today? No, I didn't. I didn't make a didn't take a break. No. I was just late. Building mode Sims. Okay, we need another mage. Chat, we're getting there. Look at this. Easy. Uh-oh. As I say this. Ooh! The damage! Hey, Betzayo, good morning. Nice. Okay, we got to round 14. We got very far now. How's the demo going? Good, 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 good. We're making small adjustments. But we're winning. So it's going very well. Ooh, kill this guy. Boom, 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 boom. The inspiration was Bloons, not Sims, bro. Oh, look at them dealing 100 damage to these guys. Because they have 0 fire resistance. The crawlers are starting to spawn. Nice. So this will be easy. Yeah, Bloons is the inspiration for this. For the entire game too. And other tower defense games too. But the biggest one is Bloons. Chat, I wanna get Ice Wave. I'm gonna slow them down with this guy. Oh, man. Would you look at that? They can't even touch us. Damn, that feels good. Now, obviously, this is a little bit confusing, right? Having the spawn pattern here on top. I might move this down so it's easier for us to see the game. I know it looks weird. This is just for me debugging the game to see the spawn pattern that happens each round. That will obviously not be in the game. Also, I feel like I need to make the gold needs to show up on all the enemies at all times. Otherwise, I think it will look, it's confusing and the player can miss the gold. So I'll put that here on bugs and quality of life. / quality of life. Money bags show up on top of everything. There you go. Oh, we got the healer now. Cool. Nice. You can start leveling her up. Wow, we got to round 18. Wait, is the game so easy? We have 500 monies. Damn, this guy is level 7. Let's give him more area of effect. The song just gets a bit repetitive after a while. Yeah, we need to have a better loop. But I'm not looping the song myself. There is keyframes at which I should loop the song, which I don't do at the moment. I need to add that in later. Right now, I'm just playing the song from start to finish again. And so the beginning part is always there. This is the beginning part. And so that is usually skipped when you loop the song correctly. But I don't have that done right now. So yeah, anyways. Yes, it does get a bit repetitive. You need more songs. I need more money. Win-win. I will need more songs in the future, yeah, for sure. But this is the one song that we're gonna use for the demo. For now. I always turn music off. Yeah, so that's why the option is here. Right? No, he will get paid. I will definitely do the pirate software thing, for sure. Where I set up for you guys to buy the music separately. That's what I'm gonna do. And then we'll see what else we're gonna do too. I like the purple colors of your menus in the game. Oh, thank you, man. Thank you. Spent a lot of time crafting these. Uh-oh, chat. They're starting to leak. Uh-oh. We're actually starting to leak. Oh. You what? Did you just miss this guy? Uh-oh. Okay, so round 21. We got to round 21. That's where we finally make progress. Let's see, can we beat this? I feel like the defenders are useless. I need to spawn other guys. He's level 4. Explosive arrow. Yeah, that one. We want to get this one here. That one's good. Uh-oh. I'm leaking. I'm losing. We lost. But luckily I made a save point here, so we can get another mage. And then maybe with some more fire damage. There must be some gameplay because the key part of the towers dying isn't really in the game yet, so how would I know if the game is for me? Bro, if I were you, I'd just release this in the game, engage interest and feedback. Yeah, but I'm not done yet. So the key part of the game is not there yet. The tower's taking damage. This is what I need to work on. Getting past round 30. Past round 30 is when I want to introduce the towers taking damage. Bro, am I actually losing? No, we're still winning. Okay, so we barely got here. Oh god, we're gonna lose this round. So this one is too overpowered. We can't beat this round. I'm already telling you. These
long life chows.
These crawlers will be they will break us 100%.
Steam next fest.
Hello AQ, good morning.
All scam. Don't be afraid of poor marketing and you'll be stronger. Good game will sell nonetheless. The money will come to you.
Oh, you're actually making a TD game now, Mr. Real super cool, yeah? Some people won't like it, but oh well. Yeah, that's why I need to put it in the game in a reasonably. Yeah, we're gonna lose. Holy. It's just too much. I don't even think I can win this round with meta progression. It's too much. Look at the onslaught, guys. Guys, do you think I should nerf? Do you think I should nerf this? Yeah, this is make it harder. Well, this guy could get a new stuff. But that's about it on the upgrade parts. That's all I can get. There's no way I win this. I feel like the round after this should be this. Let's test this. Let's stagger this around. I'm gonna do this next round. Let's see here. Second. Cakez, you already have Steam features integrated? No, I have nothing. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna implement as Steam features. What would be a good Steam feature to implement, Mr. Who Am I? Round 22. Here. So we're gonna get rid of the dark crawlers at the end. Actually, let's copy this. Achievements. No, there won't be achievements in the first demo version. Achievements, in my opinion, achievements, while great, they shouldn't be, they should not be, they should be an asset. Something to extend an already existing great gameplay experience. So if you have a bad gameplay experience, achievements won't do anything. That's my idea of how that should work. Alright, okay, let's see here. Time start. Yeah, let's say 6. 6. Then we spawn 20, but let's say 1.5, huh? 1.5 and then wait, let's say 1.6. And then that will be 0.8. That's interleaved. And this Parfinex 1. So that will be the second type. And then for this one right here, I have a really cool idea. We spawn 2 rats, the normal rats. And we're gonna start these on 10. Let's say 5. 5. And then 5.4. And they start on 0. These are normal rats. We give the player a lot more money this round. Normal rats. They have 0.4. Got a lot of them. And then this starts 0.2. Actually, this part starts 0.2 and then this starts on 0. And we have like 50. Let's see what that looks like. Wow. Okay, we need to stagger this a bit. Instead of 0.4, let's do 0.6 something? 0.6 and then 0.3. What does that look like? I'm telling you guys, the person that told me to visualize my enemies spawning like this, that's a giga chat. That's a really cool person. And then we do 60. So that's 120 gold just from these rats alone. They're level 1 rats. Hell yeah. Let's test this. How that looks. Oh my god. Array full? Huh. Okay. Well, that's annoying. Why? Because of the HP bars, maybe. Okay, wait. Wait, toggle. 12. Wow. That's a lot of money. Wow, we dropped so many things here. Okay, I think that's fine. Toggle option 12. We can put that back in. All right, let's see. This is the big round. Can we beat it? It's definitely more reasonable. Bro. Yeah, we're still losing. Wow, we're still losing. Damn. Yeah, it's cause... You know why we lose? It's because the defenders deal no damage. They deal 1 damage. Only the mages deal damage. But... I might be able to place another mage here. To be affected. Maybe that helps. Maybe that helps.
Gotcha, bitch.
Come on, man. Come on! Duh, close. Actually close. Okay, I like this. This balance is good. So we managed to get one more round. One more round done today. Can you tell if it's because of the game features or the tower placement? The tower placement is already maximized, so it's definitely... The player does not have enough... The player does not have enough... How do you say that? Agency? They don't have enough options. Like, for example, this rusty sword armor pierce would have helped me a lot. Now I can buy this. Which allows me... Yeah, I think that's great. I think it feels good. Let me see here. What is he? Well, guys, I'm about to leave. I was looking at someone to raid. There seems to be no one to raid. Bro Cakez has been working on his game for so long. He's set on Steam OS at least to Windows 7. Yeah, Windows 7 will be the first target that we have. Can you make a 2x button to make the game go fast? Of course, only if you want. Yeah, I have a 3x speed button actually. Rage Lyric, he's gonna play your game then? He won't. Are your levels meant to have the best solution or leave the player a lot of freedom to experiment? Both. Both. For the first one, just experiment. Do you have plans to protect your game from memory alteration tools like cheat engine? No, not in the beginning, because it's not The game is not... What do you call it? The game is not a competitive game in that sense at the moment. So no. I will add a leaderboard later, then we'll think about that. But for now, no. Okay, guys. I think we can rate Mr. Hilford games, I guess. Let's see. We rated him the last time. God. Let's see. Rate. Did I type it? Okay, I typed it. I mistyped it. Hilford. Okay. Yeah, sorry for being late today. I'll be online earlier tomorrow. Hope you had fun nonetheless. I will keep working on the rounds on the game. Try to balance them as best as possible. And hopefully we will be able to get out the demo tomorrow. Sorry, not tomorrow, this month. If not, then early next month for sure. Thank you guys for the support. Hope you had fun. See you tomorrow. Peace, guys. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Not demo tomorrow. Peace.